Dentistry in Turkey. The quality of treatment strongly depends not only on the doctor's skill, but also on the materials these doctors use in their work. What materials and equipment do Turkish dental therapists have? Why the quality of dental treatment here in Turkey is on such a high level? What is available in Turkish clinics to put a filling in a tooth and to treat it right? All this will be shown in our video. And also we have another big video review on our channel about how dental care in Turkey is organized as a field of medicine and what you should bear in mind. You can see it right at this link, so be sure to watch it. Subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of videos about medicine in Turkey. If you've ever been to Turkey and visited a good dental clinic, you've seen the things. The equipment here is the most modern. Cleanliness reigns everywhere, and the attitude of the staff to patients is above all praise. The interiors are reminiscent of a spaceship from a sci-fi movie about the future. Everything around is beautiful, futuristic, and functional. Doctors deal with the most modern treatment devices. There are dental units of Sternweber, Diplomat Dental, Ritter Concept, and other leading brands with pneumoturbine, electromechanical, and even laser drills. Scanners, X-ray, and CT units of high precision. Tools, treatment materials, and medicines from well-known companies of different origins. Germany, Switzerland, Japan, Korea, United States. All this stuff has valid quality certificates and is constantly controlled by state authorities. All materials we use are thoroughly tested and globally certified. We display the certificates to our patients so that they can be confident in the quality of the materials we employ for their treatment.
What you need to look and check when choosing a clinic, when choosing a doctor here in Turkey. What kind of laboratory does he work with in general? What materials does he use? Does he work with German ceramic blocks or Chinese ones? Because the quality and price will strongly depend on it.
There are many dental laboratories in Antalya. Each lab has its own specialization. Some of them deal with implantation, some are very successful in aesthetic treatment, while some of them focus on various other fields. All the laboratories we collaborate with have official certification, and they strictly adhere to the use of certified materials. For example, when making crowns, we frequently rely on certified IMAX chrome zircon blocks from a reputable manufacturer in Germany. And in general, we try to use the highest quality materials available on the market. We constantly use modern technology in our daily clinical practice. For example, this intraoral scanner gives us detailed digital 3D images of the oral cavity instead of analog photographs. Thanks to this, we can look at the oral cavity from different angles. We can zoom in and we can see the smallest details, and then send the images to other specialists involved. The same modern machines are available in good Turkish clinics for every procedure, even for anesthesia. Instead of 1 or 2 injections with a syringe, doctors can use a computer-controlled dosing device.
Look how slowly the anesthetic goes in. That's the primary anesthesia of the space. It goes in almost without pressure. It's completely painless for the patient. So after the initial anesthesia is done, we adjust the anesthetic rate or increase it even more, but this is for the usual speed of anesthetic after the primary anesthesia has taken place.
We must admit that such equipment is not available in every Turkish dentistry, although it is quite common. To understand in which clinics you can count on treatment with the most modern technologies, it is necessary to research the market of medical services at least a little. To find and choose a reliable clinic and doctors, you can ask experts in this field. At Healthy Turkey Company, not just managers, but experienced medical professionals with valid medical degrees work with patients.
After a person submits a treatment request in Turkey, we, the coordinating doctors at Healthy Turkey, select the best clinic and doctors for him based on the diagnosis, preferences, and needs. As practicing doctors in Turkey, we know precisely how to perform it accurately, swiftly, and effectively. Next, we coordinate with the patient the treatment plan and constantly accompany him throughout the trip, as well as stay in touch for any questions even after his return home.
Really good clinics pay special attention to quality management. Some hospitals have developed their own special systems for this purpose, which keep strict records of the supply of materials, processing of instruments, and even share this information with patients. Our clinic runs a barcode system, which enables patients to check the quality of materials and instruments using a mobile app. For instance, even after several years, patients can identify the specific circumstances under which the sterilization of this package occurred. The barcode app provides more comprehensive information than solely the sterilization details. The quality of the materials used is particularly paramount in children's treatment. Sadly, in our country, instances of poor quality materials are not unheard of. No patient wants to have substandard fillings or materials used during treatment. So, we make it a point to gather information about all the materials we implement through an intricate barcode system, which is then recorded in our computer database. This advancement implies that even 10 years later, patients can still ascertain the type of filling, the brand, and the name of the specific materials used. Thanks to this, patients can feel confident with us. That's the point of our clinic compared with others. Good hospitals are also meticulous in keeping track of patient information. Their medical histories and scans are stored in databases for many years, so when a patient returns, even after a long time, they can assess not only the current state of health, but also the dynamics of change. Thanks to the latest CT and X-ray machines, images of teeth and jaws are obtained as detailed and informative as possible. Some clinics not only provide good quality dental care, but also work on special services for special patients. We are the first clinic in Antalya that can serve patients with disabilities, mental and physical issues. Usually, only university hospitals with specialized faculties can work with such patients, but as a private clinic of such kind, we are the very first here in Antalya. The most important selection criterion for patients is usually the price. We can offer the same quality as available in developed countries at prices 3 to 4 times more affordable. To learn more about the work of Turkish dentists and the different types of dental care in Turkey, see our special video playlist at this link. The trips of foreign patients to Turkish dentists can be organized by a special service company, Healthy Turkiye. It can make it on an all-inclusive basis, from meeting the guest at the airport and accommodating in the hotel, to the work of an assistant, translation of medical documents, migration formalities, and even rest between appointments with the doctor. With such a comprehensive approach to the reception of patients, Turkey differs favorably from other countries where you have to pay separately for each manipulation. Healthy Turkiye works only with proven specialists in both medicine and hospitality and coordinates all their work for every patient. The company's website address is on the screen. There's lots of information on other types of health tourism. Feel free to use it as a reference and database. For consultation, call this phone number. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's be in touch. Don't miss new videos about medical tourism in Turkey.